Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can send instant video messages in WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. So friends, please open your WhatsApp app and then go to the chat section and open the conversation you want. At the bottom, you need to tap on the camera sign. Here you will be able to flip between videos and photos that you can send. And also here you can choose instant video message. And now as you can see, it's opened up like this to record instant video a little circle. And in order to start recording video, you'll just have to click on the red button. And as you can see, it's recording. Now friends, I will tell you that in terms of time, it lasts up to 60 seconds. The maximum you can record. And in order to stop this recording, you'll just have to click right here. And as you can see, the video is recorded. And then to send it, just click on Send at the bottom. And the video will be instantly sent to your conversation partner. Friends, this is the quick and very simple way you can easily send instant video message in WhatsApp. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, also write comments and definitely subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.